Welcome. We are following this book. Today's lecture on analysis of mixed cost mathematical expression. Here we discuss contribution format versus traditional income statement. Contribution format income statement versus traditional income statement. Okay. So here, Marwick's pianos company purchases pianos from a large manufacturer and sells them at a retail level. The pianos cost on the average. This figure is from the manufacturer Marwick's Pianos Incorporation sells the pianos to its customers at an average price. This figure, selling and administrative cost that the companies incurs in a typical month are presented below. So this is the selling cost related, the administrative cost related cost data. So here prepare income statement of the Marwick's Pianos Incorporation for August. Use the traditional format, which is cost organized by function. Okay. So this is the month of August. We prepare income statement. That means we call it the traditional in statement. Okay. So in traditional statement, just we use very easy to understand, sales minus cost of goods sold. Okay, then we get the gross margin, and from gross margin we reduce the selling and administrative expense. That means this is the selling expense and this is administrative expense, and then we get the net operating income. Okay, so this is the traditional income statement format. So here we look sales 40 pianos, here sales 40 piano, and per piano this is the selling price. This is selling price. So here this is sold 40 pianos. So 40 pianos and the per piano price, and this is the total sales, and cost of goods sold 40 piano. This is the cost of goods sold. That means this figure. This is the cost of goods sold. Okay. So this is the figure, and this is the gross margin. And from gross margin we need to be reduced selling and administrative. The selling advertising. So according to question we have advertising 7,100, this one, and sales salaries and commission. Sales salaries and commission 950 per month plus 8% of sales. So this is 950 and 8% of sales price. That means this is the 8% of this sales price. So this figure. Delivery of piano, delivery piano 30 per piano sold. That means our total piano 40 pianos and 30 per piano. So this figure. And now utilities 350 per month and depreciation 800 per month. So this is the 350 per month and depreciation. So this total selling expenses, this figure. Okay, I think everybody is clear now. Administrative expense. Administrative expenses, this is the executive salary per month. This figure. Insurance, this is the insurance per month. This is the insurance figure, and this is the clerical figure 1000 plus 20 per piano sold. This is the 1000 per piano, so 40 pianos. So total figure will be this figure. And depreciation of office equipment 300 per month. This is the 300. So this is the total administrative cost. So administrative and selling. So total administrative selling would be this figure 90,000. So after reducing this figure from 27,000, we are getting our net income. This is our net income. I think everybody is clear of this traditional income statement. Now our second, that means to using contribution format. That means the contribution format income statement. So very easy to understand. In our contribution format income statement for the month of August, this is the sales, this figure, and per piano sales, this figure, and variable cost expenses. All variable expenses should be reduced from here. So cost of goods sold. This is the cost of goods sold. This figure and our 40 pianos. So would be this figure. This is per piano. And sales commission. Sales commission. Please look here. Sales commission only this figure would be because of this portion is fixed and this portion is variable. So this is the variable portion we are using. So 250 we have got it. 40 pianos, so 10,000 divided 40 pianos. So that time we will get this figure. And delivery of piano. Delivery of piano, just this figure would be 1,200. 1,200, this is the variable cost, and clerical cost, you know that this portion would be calorical cost. That means 40 pianos multiplied by 20 per piano. So this portion, and just divided 40, divided here 40, here 40, here 40. Okay. So this is the total variable expenses, $1,10,000, and this is the per piano, our total variable expenses. So now the contribution margin would be this figure minus this figure. So would be this figure. Here also this figure minus this figure would be this figure. Okay. Now fixed expenses. Other than the variable expenses, all expenses are included in fixed expenses. So here advertising 700. So this is advertising 700. Sales salaries 950. This is the sales salary 950. This is the fixed portion. And utilities 350. Thus this is utilities 350. And 800, this is depreciation. So this is depreciation. And now executive salaries, this is executive salaries. And here insurance 400, this is insurance 400. And clerical, this portion is fixed 1000. So this is 1000. And finally depreciation on office equipment 300. So this is the 300. The total here, the fixed expenses 7000. So after subtracting this figure from 15,000, we are getting 8,000. So this is net operating income. So please look here. Here net operating income from contribution format income statement, and here traditional income statement 8,000. The amount will be same, but format is different. Okay, I think everybody is clear. Thank you so much. Our next lecture on cost volume profit relationship. This is very vital chapter. I think everybody will join with my lecture, inshallah. Thank you so much.